welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a side part, a low twisted bun. I hope you guys are going to enjoy it. Anyway, for my side part, I'm very particular. As you can see in the video here, I don't like funky looking things. So I like to take my time when I do my side part. Now that I have it out of the way, I'm going to brush it all the way to the back while I make it more enhanced. And yeah, it's just a lot because it's natural hair, but we're gonna get it city. So I like to take a chunk of hair from the back. I gel from the back going, up, because that makes it much easier so that it doesn't have bumps and stuff, because natural. So I'm using Ultra Glued Got to Be. I'm using Cream of Nature Argan Oil for perfect edges, as well as the Got to Be Glued. And yeah, now we're gonna go ahead and start gelling from the back. I like to do in bits and pieces, because if you just gel going all the way to the back, maybe if your hair is long, you can, cheat the system. But I like to take chunks and then put gel, brush the gel in, because yeah, it just gets rid of all those bumps. As you can see, like I just like it to be perfect and for it to be perfectly sleek to the back. Because of natural hair, some of the bits can be a bit hectic, so I like to actually put the Got to Be Glued so that I can sleek it back again, brush it in. The vibes. This is actually quite hectic. I feel like if you've got the brush, it will actually help to get rid of all those bumps that are caused by natural hair. And I'm going to add just a bit more, just to make sure that it's perfectly sleek to the back. It also helps if you tie as you go, especially if your hair is a bit shorter than mine. I think as soon as you're done putting gel on a chunk of hair, make sure that you tie as you go. It really, really helps. I thought I could be wise and actually just not blow dry my hair before this, but I really recommend that you blow dry your hair. I literally just washed my hair and then I put like bantu knots and then I took them out, brushed them, and then started doing this hairstyle. But it's actually proving to be difficult because now I have to put in extra product, whereas if I just blow dried it, I would have put way less. So make sure that you blow dry your hair before you start putting your gel. My hairline is going through the most, guys, so that's why I like using this Cream of Nature. But I made a blunder here. And it actually kept on getting worse and worse, but you know what, we keep pushing. I like using it because it's got that black tint, so where my hairline is a bit frail, it adds a bit more color, so it gives that illusion that there's actually lots of hair there. So yeah, and also it sleeks back things perfectly. It's like holy grail for natural hair. I actually don't use it for only my edges. I put it all over my hair because it's just that good. This bit was actually proving to be very difficult, so please watch carefully how I'm gonna do this so that you can follow the steps as well. I literally did this 3 times if I had to count. The first time, the camera just stopped working. The second time, my hands were tired now. But then the third time, it's the charm. And now we finally have it under control. Please watch carefully so that you can see exactly what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take a chunk of hair from, the braids. And then that's what you're going to use to roll around the other braids and your natural hair so that it can hold the knot so that it doesn't move. And there you have it. We finally have our low sleek knotted bun on our natural hair. This was very trying, but I must say we keep on pushing. 2022, we push till we get things done. Anyway, I really love this hairstyle. Really nice protective style, and it's easy on the hair as well as very affordable. What's good effects? Nobody knows the trouble I see. Valentine's is coming. Where's your boyfriend? There you are sitting alone.